Today I'm going to do something absolutely unique. We are making rose-shaped momos. Let's see how to make them. I'm going to start by making the dough. I have half a cup of all-purpose flour here. I'm going to season this with a pinch of salt, hot water, adding in 1 tablespoon at a time, and I'll use a fork to mix it together. Just going to check the consistency with my hands. Seems good. I will start kneading the dough now. Once it comes together, I'm going to take it out on a flat surface and knead it properly. You'll require a lot of elbow grease to make this soft, so be ready for a workout. If the dough is not kneaded properly, the momos will crack and not look so good, so make sure you're kneading it very well. Form a small ball, cover it and rest for at least an hour. While the dough is resting, let's prepare our filling. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of oil, adding in some chopped onions. I'm going to cook all the vegetables on medium to low flame. Along with the onions, I'm adding in some chopped mushrooms. These are oyster mushrooms. Next, I'm adding in 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Next, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of chopped carrots. Toss it around and cook it till the cabbage wilts. I'm going to add in salt to season this and draw out a lot of the moisture from the cabbage. The cabbage has wilted. Now it's time to add in our flavorings. I'm going to add in minced garlic, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of garlic chives. Toss this around and it will smell really amazing as soon as it hits the pan. Once aromatic, you can start adding in capsicum. And lastly, I'm going to add in spring onion greens. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Make sure to cook it properly so that the filling is not too wet. The filling is ready. Now we'll let it cool completely. The dough is well rested. Let's start rolling it out. This is how smooth the dough should be. I'm looking for a super thin sheet. It should be so thin that when you hold your hand below the sheet, you should be able to see the color of your skin. Now using a round steel cutter, I'm going to cut small circles. Take away the excess. You can always reuse this. Just bring it together and let it rest for 10 minutes. We have 24 circles ready over here. Let's start making our rose-shaped momos. I'm going to take 3 of them side by side. I have a bowl of water here which is going to act like a glue. I'm going to dip my finger and apply a little bit of water on 2 sides, and I'm going to overlap one circle over the other. Don't apply too much water, otherwise it won't stick. We're going to add our filling in this section and make sure that you don't overfill the momos. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of water right here. Now we're going to close the circles, keeping the filling in between. You may need a little practice to do it at first. Pinch the dough together so that it sticks properly. And now we will roll it onto itself. Adding a little bit of water right at the end and closing the rose. This looks absolutely pretty. Pinch it once again to ensure that the filling stays inside the momos. Our rose-shaped momos are ready to get steamed. I'm going to add a baking paper at the base of my steamer just to ensure that they don't stick because they're quite delicate. I have a steamer right here which is ready to go. I'm adding in my baking paper. I'm also going to oil this a little bit, adding in a few drops of oil for some extra precaution. Now using a brush, I'm just going to spread this around. I'm going to place in these cute little momos one by one. I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes. Let's check on our momos. The skin is nice and transparent and our rose momos are looking absolutely gorgeous. Do give this recipe a try. I know it's a labor of love, but you're absolutely going to enjoy it. Let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.